Hey guys, I got an auto ship from Diamond Press, and it's the Slimline Shadowbox Die and Stamps Hello Spring. So this auto ship's been going on for a while, and I believe this is the Easter one. And then there's one more after this, which I think is Sympathy, but it's kind of a outdoorsy looking one, if I recall. Which should, I'm not sure if this one was on time or if this one was late. Let me take a quick look. I keep a list of all of them. Nope, this one's on time. Most of the Diamond Press are on time. It's the, I think it's because they're from the United States, it's the Crafter's Companion that seems to have issues. Though sometimes there's extended delivery on the Diamond Press, I must say, but not anything earth-shattering. So, all right, so let's take a look at this one. This little birdie is the one that has the 3 little windows. It is the Easter one. Look at how cute with the little Easter bunnies. Just in time. So let's take everything out and take a look. Slimline folder. Gotta love Diamond Press. They give you a folder with every item that you buy, and it's wonderful and appreciated, let me tell you. So, oops, let's see. What kind of stamps we've got. I'm not sure if it'll be better on dark or light. All right, so we've got bunny in a basket, bunny with an egg, bunny with something, an Easter basket, a bunny coming out of an egg, some butterflies, eggs, little birdie. This one says Happy Easter and Easter Blessings. And then this one says, some bunny loves you, to some bunny special, have a sweet Easter, extra special Easter, sending you Easter wishes, wishing you a happy hello, you are extra special, little chicks, look, little egg, a basket full of love, and you make me so happy. I love that. I love puns. All right, so has our instructions. As always, they always have the best instructions. Shadow box front, shadow box back. Tells you how to put it together. Looks pretty straightforward and easy. We've got the die here, whoops, the die here to cut the little flowers and the grass, and then to make the colors of the flowers. It says to cut it in 3 different colors and then variate the colors. How to put that together and attach. cut the grass, which is this one here. And then attach it all, and look how cute. Look at how cute. The bunny with the carrot, the bunny coming out of the egg, the Easter basket, the bunny with the egg. Bunny coming out of the basket, bunny coming out of the egg, I mean. And the little chicks. And then, of course, it tells you you got the strip that you can cut the wishing you a or sending you a, and then happy Easter, Easter blessings. So it always tells you how to put your words together, and then how to put the bunnies together, the Easter basket. So straightforward. Once you get this piece together, this little shadow box, it's perfect. It'll be easy. Easy deal. So I don't have a lot of Easter, so I'm pretty happy with this. And then I'm waiting for the Diamond Press pop-up auto ship. It was first one was a flower basket, and flowers bouquet, and then this one is going to be an Easter basket with a bunny. So I'm excited for that one to come. That one has been delayed. So all right, so that's it. Hello Spring Slimline Shadow Box. Pretty cute, if I do say so myself. And I don't think there's, except for one thing once, there hasn't been anything that I've Diamond Press that I did not like. They always have the cutest things and the best instructions, and always, like I said, a cutting folder. So if you've got the marquee, you're set. So, all right, well, that's it. I will be making some Easter projects when that other one comes. I just picked up also the Diamond Press, the sayings that says God bless you, and that stuff. And if I had it handy, I would show it to you, but I don't know what I did with that now. Oh wait, here it is. Let me show it to you because it came just the other day too. So, and it has big words. And it's called Blessed Cutting Dies. A folder, see, just like I said. Let me get the instructions out. Look at how big. It says wishing you, and then you put words in it. And look at this one. God loves you. Look at how big that is. Just so pretty. So it has this frame here, and it says let grow. So you can put let love grow, let joy grow on this one. There's the joy, there's the love. This one says wishing you, and then you can put wishing you love, wishing you joy. It's got all the little flowers. Then it says God loves you, which is this one. And then it's got you. It's got the big banner or pennant. Love and joy are other two words. And then you are blessed. You is over here. Are, and then blessed. And then love, blessed, and joy. And then they have the shadow, and then the little scroll So that is going to be a cute one too. So I just love how big their word dies are. So that one is called the Diamond Press Blessed Cutting Dies. So I thought it was great for Easter also. So that's that one. All right, so Slimline Hello Spring, Blessed Cutting Dies. When the other one comes, I am going to be set for Easter. So, all right, so thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for spending the time to watch, whether you're a subscriber or not. Every view is appreciated. It really is. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have either of these, let me know. If you have used them, let me know how you like them. I'm pretty excited about them. And like I said, there's only been one time when I was disappointed with, well, maybe 2 times when I think about it. With Diamond Press, all other times, they've been perfect. So that's it. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.